Hello everybody, my name is Markéta
and Martin from Carniforyou from Czech Republic.
And now we are in our nursery where we grow Nepenthes and Utricularia. Here we grow Pinguiculas, that's our big passion. And we have botany species but also hybrids, mostly from Mexico but also other parts of the world. And our last stops are sunny place for different type of Droseras, mostly from South Africa, but also Australia and other parts of the world. And another big passion are, as you can see, are Sarracenias. So we have different variety of Sarracenias, different hybrids, and also botanic species. And the plants that can't miss in every carnivorous plants grower is Dionea, of course. So we have Dionea with different variety and clones. All of this you will see in World Carnivorous Plants Conference and sales in Leiden from the 21st till 23rd August. We will be there. We are so looking forward to everybody. It will be amazing place and amazing event for all carnivorous plants lovers. So hope to see you all there and talk about carnivorous plants. So see you there.